Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024. And now we're here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2024, our system has categorized VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.45%. This results in an average return of 0.23% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating further growth within this trend. The present 3-month trend hints at a potential change of approximately 3.22% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from about 0.359% to 10.38%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 31.02% over the next year, with potential returns between 27.05% and 41.25%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately $622.31 to $691.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up nearly 0.5 percentage point on Friday. The VOO ETF price increased by nearly 0.5 percentage point on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024. It rose from $487.62 to $489.82. Throughout that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.1%, ranging from a low of $485.86 to a high of $491.21. This price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 2.07% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 6 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands 5.7%, or $29.58, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, has recently experienced significant volatility, mirroring broader market conditions. This week saw one of the S&P 500's worst daily performances since the year 2022, followed by a rebound, leading to a slight weekly loss of just 0.04%. Such fluctuations often provoke anxiety among investors. However, they can also present buying opportunities for those with a long-term perspective. Currently, the ETF is trading approximately 8.5% below its all-time high, aligning with historical patterns that indicate corrections frequently precede recoveries. Investor interest remains strong, as illustrated by $9 billion in inflows into U.S. equity ETFs last week, underscoring a continued appetite for market exposure despite recent turbulence. Among these ETFs, VOO stands out as a cost-effective option for diversification, particularly for those entering the market with smaller investment amounts. With $51 billion in net inflows so far this year, VOO is well positioned for long-term growth, taking advantage of recovery phases following corrections. In the short term, the recent decline could impact VOO's price as investors assess market stability. Yet, the overall trend suggests resilience, potentially paving the way for gains as the market recalibrates. For long-term investors, the current volatility may serve as an opportunity to acquire shares at lower prices, anticipating a rebound in the S&P 500. Thus, VOO can remain a strategic choice for investors seeking to navigate both turbulent and stable market conditions effectively. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen by 3.08%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is found. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, several negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term outlook. The VOO ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average carries a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $502. Conversely, if there is a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $485.45. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the prevailing trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 177 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $479.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $5.35 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.10%. For the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.08%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $489.91. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $479.94. Should this support level remain intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $459.86, reflecting a decrease of 6.12%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we observe a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO displays several positive indicators. However, we still do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this stage, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we anticipate VOO to open down by 86 cents, beginning trading at $488.96. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.